And for best of the best, I'm going to ask our dear friend Adam Chernick, if you're still around. Yes, you are.
Yes.
So Adam, oh my God, I know Adam.
Shop architects.
Shop architect, yes. So we had shop architect at an accelerator in Boston. I want to say 2017, 18, somewhere around there, right?
Yep.
So we know Adam for quite a while now. And now he's working with some like cool technology at AWS that I will invite you guys to find him. Find him on LinkedIn. Check out some of the demos that he's been playing around with. If you are into like Gen AI, like 3D modeling, augmented reality applications, Adam is your guy. So I'm very like happy to also know that Adam, it's in New York, so we do tend to see each other from time to time. And I just want to say thank you again. Thank you for helping us out with this. You've been always so excited about like this kind of event. So I appreciate your enthusiasm with this kind of events itself. All right.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Okay. So how do you want to do this? You want to talk a little bit about what's happening, or do we want to go into giving the winner announcement?
How about, do you want to do the winner announcement, and then I can do a little spiel on you know, why we thought that this was the best one.
Do you want me to play the demo, or before playing the demo, you want to do the spiel?
Let's play the demo.
All right, cool. So with that, for 2024, Design and Make EduHack, our winner of this year hackathon is Mr. Michael Freitas from PUC Minas, doing a master's on digital games. So congrats, Michael. Give Michael some love on the chat, and we're gonna get started with his demo. Hopefully you guys can hear.
Hi everybody, my name is Michael Freitas. I'm a digital games student at PUC Minas. My challenge in this hackathon is Rise of Machines, Byte Back. And I will present you my project that it's called APS GPT, that consists of integrating the Viewer API with ChatGPT API, allowing the user to use natural language to manipulate the model and query information. So here is my app. It's a chatbot that I can say, hi. I can ask it to count the windows, for example, to get some quantities from the model. I can also, besides only getting quantities, I can interact with the model. I can ask it to select the windows for me. I can ask it to isolate the windows, to zoom, so natural. I can also ask it, for example, to isolate, and all windows and follow all different type marks. Their values. So here I can see that there are two different type mark values. So one is 33, that is the same as this one, and the other one is 46. that it's the same for all of these. So it's good for checking the model visually using natural language. So also I can ask for like what's the total floor area. Calculates me the values. Also, I can ask to export a CSV of doors and windows with, for example, type name, type mark, what else? Quantities, and dimensions. I have my CSV with all of information, quantities, dimensions. Can use it to extract information. Also, I could use this for play chess, for example. So I can ask it, move the selected element 3 units for yeah, maybe you can use it also to play chess with a friend using the viewer API. It's not my challenge, but since I'm a digital games student, I did something. But anyway, so using natural language to help the user manipulate the model or extract information is the next natural step in the evolution of AEC industry. So imagine that you create a project, you have to create a project, and you would only know, you need only to know how to write and how to speak, so you can specify what you want to your virtual assistant. So soon, you will probably no longer need to specialize in any specific software for doing your projects. You will just need to improve your speaking skills and explain in detail what you need to be done, perhaps adding a few manual touches. So this is the future, and we are already working on it. So that's it. Thank you, guys.
Adam, take it away.
Yeah. Congratulations, Macon. A really, really amazing solution here. So some of the judging criteria that we want to go over here include innovation, elegance, business problem solved, progress made during the weekend, the depth of use of the Autodesk APS APIs, and wow factor. And so we really thought that this hit all of the criteria. Right? This deep integration, leveraging large language models to increase and improve the user experience for folks looking at digital twins, reviewing their three-dimensional models. This just really opens up a ton of possibilities in the industry, and it's really exciting to see. It was very innovative. It was very creative, pushing the possibilities at the intersection between building information models and large language models. We loved the insights, that you can really think about where you could take this in the future. The elegance, right? Improving again. It's very simple. It's very intuitive. It's a a simple interaction mode, which everybody already knows and loves, of just chatting with a bot or chatting with a friend. A real business problem solved, right? It does solve a business need. Navigating and analyzing BIM models is difficult. You need skills to be able to do that. Learning those skills can take a lot of time. Being able to navigate and interact with and analyze building information models with natural language without needing to learn a bunch of additional skill sets has a tremendous amount of business value and has the potential to democratize access and sort of utilization of these BIM assets to larger groups within organizations. And so there's a ton of potential here across the board. Progress made during the weekend, huge amount of progress made. The integrations, the wrapping of the API calls that you would have needed to do inevitably to get this done. It's a substantial amount of work. And then the depth of the API use and sort of the depth and robustness of the integration, it's really there. Not only were you moving a toilet on a chessboard, but you were also isolating objects, analyzing objects, counting objects, moving objects, zooming the camera control, right? Analysis, floor area, as well as sort of exporting your CSV document for additional use downstream in other applications or other analysis tools locally, accessing BIM family types, things like that. So you really had a robust integration of the solution into the Autodesk APIs. And then wow factor, right? It's really exciting to see this. It was definitely jaw-dropping for all of us. And I think a lot of the world is going to be exciting to see more and more folks pushing at this intersection between BIM models and large language models. And so really, really well done and congratulations.
I agree. I see, I know nobody's expecting to have a chest with toilets, but to me, it's just like, I start thinking, and then I'm going to put this maybe up to you guys on the marketing team. We should definitely partner up with Micron for future AU events or something like that. I can visualize this already being part of a developer zone and so on, to just kind of give this kind of experience to all our construction geeks and so on, to just get a little bit of time to play with something that they kind of deal day to day, right? So again, Micron, amazing. I know you from past events and all that, so I know your knowledge when it comes to the use of the platform, it's advanced, but this is something that it definitely went beyond during the weekend. I see Peter already recruiting you for his for his class during AU. Definitely you should talk, and again, congratulations to that. So help me out on the chat with some reactions as well, to give some love to the winner of the best AEC Coder.